In today's fast-paced world, finding time to clean can seem impossible. Between work, family, and personal commitments, cleaning often gets pushed to the bottom of the list. This is where modern technology lends a helping hand. Enter the age of smart solutions. Why not let a robot keep your floors spotless while you focus on what matters? The Roborock S7 Max Ultra White is designed for this challenge. Imagine cleaning no longer demanding your precious free time. With a smart assistant, you can finally enjoy peace of mind. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra White is not just any robot vacuum. It's a powerhouse of cleaning efficiency designed to handle the rigors of everyday life. With its powerful suction, this device is capable of picking up everything from fine dust to large debris. Whether it's dirt tracked in by shoes or crumbs from last night's dinner, the Roborock S7 Max Ultra White can handle it all. But the real standout feature is its advanced mapping technology. Using intelligent sensors and algorithms, it creates a detailed map of your home, ensuring that no spot is left uncleaned. This mapping capability allows the robot to navigate seamlessly from room to room, avoiding obstacles and efficiently covering all surfaces. You can trust it to clean your home thoroughly, even when you're not there to supervise. For pet owners, this is a dream come true. Pet hair can be a nightmare, constantly accumulating and requiring daily attention. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra White is equipped to deal with this common issue. Its high-powered suction ensures that pet hair is picked up quickly and efficiently, leaving your floors spotless. This robot vacuum is designed for those who demand results without the hassle. Its combination of power and intelligence makes it the ultimate cleaning companion for any modern household. Every day brings its own set of cleaning challenges. Whether it's the mess left after a family meal or the constant shedding of a beloved pet, keeping a home clean can be an endless chore. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra White is engineered to tackle these everyday problems with ease. Imagine coming home to a clean floor, without lifting a finger. With its robust suction, this robot vacuum quickly and efficiently picks up dirt and debris that accumulates throughout the day. This means less time spent tidying up and more time for relaxation or, pursuing your passions. Its ability to navigate complex layouts ensures that every corner is covered, providing a comprehensive clean that meets the demands of modern living. For families with young children, spills and messes are just a part of life. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra White is up to the task, handling these mishaps with minimal fuss. Its capacity to adapt to different surfaces means it can transition seamlessly from hardwood to carpet, tackling any challenge your home throws its way. This robot vacuum is more than just a device, it's a solution to the everyday messes that busy people face. By automating cleaning, it frees up valuable time and energy, making life a little bit easier. The Roborock S7 Max Ultra White isn't just about convenience, it's about smarter living. Imagine cleaning as a seamless part of your daily routine, not a chore. With customizable schedules and app control, you decide when and how your home is cleaned. Its smart design fits effortlessly into your lifestyle, keeping your space pristine. Whether you're at work or away, trust Roborock to handle the cleaning. Embrace smart living. Like and subscribe for more home tech tips.